Hello there Aces, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing something interesting, which is talking about Modern Warship leaks. Today I got this leak from Josephine Modern Warships about this allegedly new ranked battle pass ship. It looks to be a frigate and of European origin. Let me elaborate on that. This is the clear image. It looks like there's three ships on this picture over here, and they all look like the same model class, something like that. But what intrigues me is these things. I don't know what they are. Could be railgun cannons or new air defenses. I honestly don't know. So a bit ago, I asked my buddy ChatGPT to analyze this picture, and it looks to be a variant of the Horizon class frigates. Let me pull that up real quick. Download this image. I'm really sorry for the unprofessionalism. Here's the image. Let's compare it to the leaks, of course. Okay, let me split screen. Okay, we're now going to do some analyzing here. So first, we could look at the front here. Okay, it's definitely matching a bit. Let me draw it. Okay, the VLS looking thing over here, like right here, and it matches with this. Looks pretty similar. Just there's this gun over here. We don't know what that is, of course. Okay, now the can look at the mast. Okay, there's that ball here, and there's also this. Okay, done with that. There's also this bigger radar on top of here. Looks to be the same. Okay. And then we got the back here and here. It's really similar. Here, and this thing. There's a lot of these on like what German frigates, the Saxon class. I don't know. Here, the same box radar thing. Yeah, it looks really similar. Like, look at it. Okay, this and this, that looks really similar. And then we got the whole design. The overall whole design is also very, very much similar. Here. Okay, so what we can conclude from this, it must be another Horizon class frigate added to the game. So we know there's one Horizon class frigate in the game. That is the Caio Duilio, the tier 2 menace with 3 cannons, of course. Okay. It is definitely the Horizon class. It looks very similar. And yeah, one more thing. Sorry about that. One more thing. Just a bit. We could see this thing, this antenna Looks also really similar to that. Here, here. Looks really similar. Okay. Alright. So that's all for the leak analyzation here. I know it is this is very new to me, and I wish I could be more professional on this, but I feel like maybe I should rush it cuz I like identifying warships, man. It's just this thing. I don't know what it is. Honestly, could be maybe perhaps a railgun laser weapon system if Artstorms, well, they're running out of ideas probably, so yeah. So that's all for the analyzation. Analyzing. I'm sorry for the unprofessionalism of this setup right here, because I'm pretty much just rushing, but it does really look similar to the Horizon class frigates. So that's all for today, Aces. If you want more modern warships analyzing, I'll make more. Alright, that's all for today. Thanks. Bye.